Alrighty, let's talk about a slightly different smoothing process, which is the 3-point moving median. Okay, so the moving median basically says, well, take three numbers. Let's take these three, and tell me which one's in the middle, and plot that one instead. So if you have a look at those three numbers, well, you can kind of see that. Let's do it three different colors. We have black, blue, and red. Which one's in the middle? Well, blue's in the middle, so we'll plot blue. Alright, well let's do that in, say, well, yeah. So we're keeping this one. That one's a keeper. Let's put that one in black. Alrighty, so let's look at the next three numbers. Alrighty, well, which one's in the middle? Well, the middle one's in the middle, so we're keeping that one. Now, just before you turn off and think it's always going to be the one in the middle, let's have a look at the next three numbers. Oh, no, same pattern. Keep it. So then, what happens with these three numbers? So let's just look really carefully at these three numbers. Well, let's think about which one is the biggest number. Well, the biggest number would be this one at the top. Which one would be the smallest number? Well, this one would be the smallest number. So which is the one in the middle? This one's the one in the middle. So, for these three numbers, the middle number isn't this one, it's this one. So at this spot, since we're looking at these three numbers, I'm going to be plotting the same height as the previous value. So you can kind of see that, that's the one that would be in the middle. Because remember, with the median, you always want to look at them not in the order, but where they actually sit. And so for my smooth data, this is where we're going to deviate, is right there. All right, let's look at the next three. Oh, well, the middle number's in the middle. Next three, middle number's in the middle. Next three, middle number's in the middle. Ooh, this one's an interesting one. All right, you can see that for all of these ones, nothing interesting was happening. But now we've run into a situation where the data isn't in order. This one's the biggest number. This one's the smallest number, which means this is the middle number. So that's the one we're going to be plotting. So this guy is going to get plotted here, because remember, it's the one for these three, and the middle of those three is this one here. And you can see for the last one here, the data is still in order, which means that is going to be our last of it. And like with the 3-point moving mean, we skip at the original and at the end. So that's how we do the 3-point moving median. Often you get less changes. If you do a larger one, like maybe the 5-point moving median, then you're going to get more changes that happen. But with the 3-point, as long as the data is in a fairly good order, it shouldn't take you too long. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.